What's good, Stealth to a fam? It's your boy back with another video. As you can see today, I am as excited and ecstatic as always, as we're all here to invest in ourselves and our future selves. But for today's video, we're starting a new series. What is the best stock to buy? So this is the first episode of a three-part series detailing the best stocks to buy. But before we begin, a quick disclaimer: the content provided in this video is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. The research in this video is not financial advice. So do your own research and make your own financial decisions. But let's get into the video. So index funds. It was mentioned in an earlier video, but if you didn't check it out, for those of you who don't know, an index fund is a big fund that has many different companies, sometimes from different industries such as technology or even healthcare, which would result in diversity in your account. So for stock number one, is the best stock to buy is the S&P 500 ETF, aka SPY, also known as SPY. So what is SPY? Well, SPY is just an ETF of the S&P 500, which is a big index that consists of companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and even Google. The key benefit of investing in an index instead of an individual stock is the safety it provides. So let's say, what if some crazy news leads to Apple dropping from $100 to $10? You would be out of your money. But if that happens and you were invested in SPY, which consists of 499 other stocks in the index fund, you may only see a $1 to $2 drawback because of the other companies may outperform Apple's losses. This shows the safety aspect of investing in an index fund. Okay, but why SPY when there are many other index funds out there? Well, over the last 4 years, SPY has returned over 60%, or roughly 15% annually. But SPY is compiled of the top 500 companies in America, not just a random 500, meaning you would not see Apple and Google and Microsoft going to zero in the next couple of years, would you? We've seen it all of our lives. It's not going anywhere, showing the safety. But there are many different indexes out there composed of penny stocks. But what we want is a safe and consistent growth, not just a quick dollar on the penny. So this is all I have today. This is all I have on my end. Make sure to stay stealth to get to the wealth and continue to check out the rest of this series.